Good morning, students and staff. I am here this morning with Mr. Brayford, and we would like to draw your attention to our Keystone bulletin board. Before I do that, however, I would like to say that last year, probably about 2 weeks ago, we got last year's results from all of our test scores, PSSAs, Keystones, and most of you should be aware, like the colors mean something. Red is bad, yellow is a little bit better than bad. Green is you're probably on target, and blue is amazing. Blue means you did amazing achievement, amazing growth. While when we opened up the results from last year, it was like blue. There was blue everywhere. And while we don't have an SPP score yet, we did amazing last year. Well, now we've got to think about this year. So if you look at this bulletin board, what we have here is we have our theme. We have Sparty and his ship. And he's heading towards, if you want to pan over, he's heading towards what we're going to call Keystone Island. And if you notice, there are 8 little buoys that he's going to have to do in order to get there. And each buoy is going to reveal some type of strategy or tip that is going to help our students and teachers achieve this year like we did last year. So I have a guest person here helping me. He is going, because we're 8 weeks out, he is going to reveal our first 2 while we move Sparty to where he is going to be. So, Mr. Brayford, could you please read for the students the first tip?
Sure. The first testing tip is read all the answers, because you may find one that sounds better than your initial answer. And just for some inspiration, just remember what Bo Jackson said. Set your goals high and don't stop until you get there.
All right, now because we're in the 8th week, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move Sparty. He's going to move 2 weeks. And we're going to go to week 7 weeks away. And Mr. Brayford is fortunate enough as our guest person to actually do 2 of them. So Mr. Brayford, would you please?
Sure. The next testing tip for week 7 is read the question. Read the whole question. Extra information may be added to the question to trip the test taker. Know what is being asked and answer only what is being asked. And for your inspiration, remember what Nelson Mandela said. It always seems impossible until it's done.